If you often create a firewall rules in your MikroTik, sometimes you may need to apply the same action to the several IP address, subnet, or interface. Instead of creating many separate firewall rules, we can group them into a list. This makes the configuration cleaner, easier to manage, and more efficient. Let me show you a simple example. I have several internal subnets and I want to block them from accessing the web UI of my ISP modem. Normally, you may create a multiple firewall rule for each subnet and each modem IP address. But instead of doing that, I create two lists. The first list is called subnet internal, which contains several internal subnet address, and the second list is called gateway ISP modem, which contain the IP address of my ISP modem web UI. Then I create one firewall rules with the action drop, where the source address list is the subnet internal and the destination address list is the gateway ISP modem. This way, I only need one firewall rule instead of many. In MikroTik, there are two main types of lists that you can use: interface list and address list. Each of them serve a different purpose. First, let's talk about the interface list. You can find it in the interface menu, then select the interface list. There is a button called a list which allows you to create your own interface group. After creating a list, you can add a several interface and group them into a single list. For example, guys, in my network, I have two ISP connections, so I group both one interface into a list called one interface. Now, instead of referencing each one interface individually, I can simplify use the one interface list, guys. The second type is the address list, guys. This list contains IP address or subnet. You can create it by going to the menu IP firewall address list. Then click add to create a new list. Here you can group a several IP address or a subnet into a single list. This is very useful when multiple firewall rules need to reference to the same group of address. Using a list in MikroTik provides us several advantages. Your firewall rules become cleaner, it reduces the number of the rules, it's easier to manage and update, it saves time when configuring or modifying rules. Instead of editing multiple rules, you can simplify update the list. Using interface list and address list is a simple feature in MikroTik, but it can make your configuration much more organized and efficient. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.